guys, what's up? My name is Abby and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be doing an eyelash perm or eyelash lift. I've seen this go around a little bit and I've been wanting to get one done, but I don't want to pay $50 for one. So I bought this one off of Amazon. I'll link it down below if you guys are interested, but just keep watching to see the end results. Okay, so I'm not even gonna lie, most of the audio on this video was pretty bad, so I'm just doing a voiceover, but basically this is what the kit looks like from inside. These are the lift pads that I chose. I got the medium size. All I did was see which ones my eyelashes fit the best with, and then I grabbed the glue and put it all over that lift pad. I waited about 20 seconds for that to dry, and then I stuck it on my eyelid. And then I'm gonna wait for that to stick on there. It took me quite a few tries to get it on, but eventually it worked out. Okay, so then I took the glue again and put it all over the lift pad and waited for that to get tacky. And then I grabbed this Y-shaped tool and started using that to brush up my lashes. So as you can probably tell, I was having quite a bit of trouble getting this strand of lashes to stick up, so I just went ahead and put some more glue on there. For some reason, this kit didn't come with protective pads for your bottom lashes so that they wouldn't get permed with the top ones, so I was just pulling them apart, as you can see. It's been a few weeks and I haven't gone blind yet. I think you'll be fine as long as you don't get any products inside of your eyes. Okay, so then I just made sure that my lashes were all dried, and then I went in with the first step, which was the perming solution, but like a big old dummy, I forgot to film this. So all I did was grab a Q-tip and put it inside of the perming solution. I wasn't sure if this was the correct way to do it, but that's what I did. And grabbed saran wrapped, covered it for about 10 minutes, and then I went on to the second step, which was the fixation solution stuff, and I did the exact same thing. I had read somewhere that if you put saran wrap, it was better, but the instructions didn't say anything about that. But I think it worked pretty good, so I highly recommend putting saran wrap on your lashes after doing this and letting them sit. Alright, so I don't know why, but I find it so satisfying to watch myself brush out my lashes. I don't know if it's like ASMR for your eyes or something, or if that's even a thing. But anyways, I had forgot to mention and do, you're supposed to wipe your lashes after each step, and that's what I'm doing right here. So basically, don't forget to wipe your lashes after each step. Okay, so the next step I did was just the nutrition, and I did the exact same thing. I just grabbed a clean Q-tip and put it all over my eyelashes and made sure I made them healthy again, I guess. So the last step is just to clean off the rest of the residue, and that's with the cleanser. As you can see, they're kind of already coming out of it. They're not sticking anymore. Yep, it smells like cleaning stuff. So I'm just putting a little bit. Okay, so I actually don't know what I was thinking while I was doing this, but basically I don't think that the cleaning stuff is for your eyelashes. I think that it's for your eyelids, so that that part where the lift pad is and your eyelid meets isn't sticky. But my lashes still turned out permed, so I think it's fine if you do it as well. And here I am showing you a permed versus non-permed eyelash. I was really happy with the way they turned out, so yeah, that's why I was doing this clip, I think. I'm not really sure. Hey guys, so it's the next day. I thought I'd just hop on here really quick to show you what my lashes look like up close. I'm really happy with the way that they turned out, and they're supposed to last 4 to 8 weeks, I think. So I'll keep you guys updated for sure, but I'm gonna link this down below, so if you guys want to try it out, you can. I'm really happy with the way that they turned out, like I said. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe and leave a comment down below of any video suggestions that you might want to see.
And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.